Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another skincare video, and this skincare is like anti-aging, it is anti-pigmentation, it is for acne prone skin. So I know this is going to help you all a lot. So this time I am back with EMM, which is E Mega Mart, and they sent me 5 products which is like a complete skincare. So I am following this routine for past 6 or 7 days. This is the only time that I got to try these skincare products, and I kind of loving these products. Like, I will tell you everything about it, like what I like about them and what I do not like about them. Now, because I am a dry skin girl, so there are some products that are like not my type, not are of my skin type. So this is the box that I received from E Mega Mart, and I am always like a fan of their packaging. I really like how they send these goodies inside, like with thermocol balls and like the colorful stuff. And also the packaging of these products are like quite colorful, blue, yellow, orange. So yes, I really love that. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. So the first product is this Gloom C Vitamin C Face Wash. I am going to take you through the application of this product. It is like transparent, it has no color, but the fragrance is like you have applied some orange juice on your face. It is like exactly that vitamin C. It has some beads like red and blue in it, which I really love. I like to pop it on my skin and then see what it does. Like, I really like that. So this face wash is basically designed for wrinkle reduction, blackheads and anti-aging treatment. It contains vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, glycolic acid, cocoa butter. As you can see the result, it gives moisturizing and hydrating effect to skin. It leaves your skin clean, moisturized, soft and vibrant. And now the results that I have noticed in these 6 days, like, it really makes skin bright, makes your skin look fresh, and the fragrance is like so fruity. I really love it. Now the second product that I have with me is this scrub. Like, this is the Choco Light scrub, and the fragrance is like exactly like a chocolate. That's why here it is written it is not edible at all. Now this chocolate scrub has antioxidants which protect skin from sunburn, promotes new cell growth with its antioxidants and minerals. It prevents blemishes and removes tan. As you all know, chocolate is a really good product to remove your tan. It exfoliates and leaves the skin polished and refined. So now, as you all can see the results, skin is looking healthy, glowing and flawless. This is a very gentle scrub, like it has a very micro beads in it, so it is not at all harsh. And also you have to work gently with it. Do not rub vigorously on your skin. And chocolate is like a really good ingredient for skin. So this is a face and body scrub. I have used it on my body like twice, and on my face, like, this is the third time I have used. You should not do this. It is like once a week or twice a week. But I have used this today because I wanted to show the application of the product. That's why. Now the third product that I have with me is this Hyalo Gel. This is basically a hyaluronic acid gel, which is non-sticky, non-oily, non-comedogenic aqueous gel. You have seen the texture on my skin. It is like a very transparent kind of gel. Now it is a most suitable moisturizer and conditioner for oily and acne prone skin. It is good for sensitive skin also. Now because I have dry skin, it is not at all suitable for me, but yes, it really works on acne prone skin. So I use this on my pigmented areas because hyaluronic acid is really good for pigmentation. Like, it helps to remove that. And then I use my regular moisturizer because it is not at all moisturizing for dry skin. Now the fourth product that I have with me is this A2 Light Skin Brightening Cream. Now first of all, this is the most favorite product of mine in this entire range. Now this cream claims to lighten dark spots on the skin such as freckles, post-acne, black spots, age spots, acne scars. Now what I feel about this product is like it is a really good product for your daily use. Like, if you are going to office or something, you don't need anything on your face because it instantly brightens up your face. So this cream is really good for that. But if you are a dry skin girl like me, it won't be giving you hydration. Like, I don't feel it has that moisturizing thing in it. So what I like to do is I first apply a moisturizing sunscreen lotion, which I'm gonna show you right after this, and then I apply this cream on my face and it gives a very beautiful and radiant skin. So yes, for a daily purpose, this is a very beautiful product. And now the last product that I have with me is this sunblock. This is 360-degree block sunscreen gel, and it is like SPF 50 plus and PA+++ water resistant. Now this is a really beautiful sunscreen. I love it. Like, this is the best I have used. I'm gonna show you the difference. Like, I'm gonna apply it on one side so you can see the difference, and first I'm gonna zoom you a little in so that you can actually see the difference. Yes, so first I'm gonna apply it on this side of my face. Now what is the thing that I love about it the most is it acts as a primer as well. Like, though I really love it because it is SPF 50 plus, so yes, it provides a great kind of protection to the bright sunlight and UV rays, harmful rays. So when I apply it like this and start blending it like onto my skin, so it leaves a little white cast, but just for like about a minute or so it vanishes away. But what I love about this product is like it is kind of like when you apply it under makeup, it gives a kind of tinted primer effect to your face, and a primer because it really helps to fill in the pores, and also it blurs out the texture and blemishes. Like you can see here, this side is looking very blurred and smooth, and this has some imperfections over here. So I think under makeup this is going to do a great job. So you all are going to love this product under your makeup because it gives a very smooth canvas to work on. That's what I really love about this product. Now this is the complete skincare. Like, you do not have to search for each and every product. Like, this is a complete skincare that you can get on eMegaMart, EMM, and these products are 100% genuine and dermatologically tested. So do check their website for awesome discounts, and the link of their website would be there in my description box, so do not forget to check that. If you have any other recommendation or query regarding these products, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.